For exercise 8, we will be discussing robots.
So, first off, what are robots?
Use simple ways to define robots include mechanic constructions designed to carry out a task. They have varying levels of complexity and sometimes include sensors. Finally, they have some kind of computer code that enables them to perform the function that they have been designed for. The complexity of the construction and of the systems dictate its ability to process and make decisions are the key factors that decide how advanced a machinery is. They can be as simple as an armature that removes boxes, or as complex as something like Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot. So, who is using robotics in Canada? Healthcare organizations are using robots for a number of functions, including being able to interact with a patient that can be hundreds of miles away with a physical presence. Manufacturing has embraced robots as a means of eliminating the human labor involved in repetitive tasks. Robots can do things like stack sandpaper into boxes and then stack boxes for shipping. The Canadian government has invested in robotics as a means to investigating environments that are too dangerous for humans to do personally. Think of things like Boston Dynamics Spot, which is capable of doing things. Finally, agriculture. Canadian companies have invented an ag-tech robotics platform that is capable of controlling robots using smart farming technology, robots, and Internet of Things sensors, creating a single solution capable of tying together a diverse pool of technologies for true smart farming. So, why are they using robotics? Let's look at a SWOT analysis for the University of Saskatchewan hospitals. Strengths: they already work in a technologically complex environment capable of supporting equipment such as robotics. Weaknesses: they exist in a wide geographic distribution, which minimizes the percentage of their business which could benefit from robots. Opportunities: they can be seen as a first mover for innovative patient care. Threats: implementing robots in a meaningful way would be a capital-intensive operation. Additionally, there would be ongoing maintenance and training costs in keeping the robots operational and staff trained in their operation. Now, so there are some real applications that could mitigate some weaknesses with some of their strengths through the use of robots. So, where are they using robots? Specifically, the University of Saskatchewan hospitals are using robots to create a physical presence in remote locations. This means that if a patient comes in with a dramatic trauma injury and the clinic is only staffed by a nurse, a doctor can remote in to direct patient care until qualified emergency healthcare professionals can arrive and take over transport or care. This brings life-saving assistance to vulnerable remote populations and enables local clinics to provide even the highest level of cares. So, when are we going to be using robots? Well, we already are. The chances that you have purchased a product that has been packed by a robot are nearly 100%. These simple tasks can be economically performed by robots. This helps keeps manufacturing costs low and reduces repetitive task injuries for workers. This is a great way to eliminate some of the repetitive jobs that are required in the value chain for most organizations. So, how can robots help us achieve sustainable development goals? First, smart farming will help us achieve Goal 2 of zero hunger. Robots can help us clean contaminated water and remove pollutants, moving towards Goal 6. Robotic manufacturing helps us achieve Goal 9 of industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Finally, these same manufacturing robots help us to achieve responsible production, which is a part of Goal number 12. So let's look at 2 truths and 1 lie. First, there are 3 laws of robotic behaviors. 2, robots can perform tasks that are unsafe for humans. And 3, robots excel at completing repetitive tasks reliably. Thank you for listening. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think that the lie is below, and leave a comment.